welcome back to another review. It's Thursday. So today I have a review from a company called NATPLUS, and it's on their nail drill machine. And yes, I know the E in machine is missing, but this is how it came packaged. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see if I can go up a bit. There we go. So this is how it came packaged. So I'm just going to remove this. And it does come in a very sturdy carrying case. Very strong feeling material as well. Nice zipper. So I'm just going to open this up. And in here we have the portable grinding machine user manual. And then it comes with some of these diamond files. Only thing that I use in these kits when they come is the barrel for the sanding bands. And I love how this one is actually like stainless steel and it's not plastic. So on the other side, and I love the carrying case, like I'm not seeing any portable drills on the market right now with a carrying case. So the first thing we have here is the handpiece holder. So when you're not using it and you don't want to clip it onto the drill, you can rest this on your desk and you can just rest your handpiece in it. Just put this to the side. Next we have our Next we have our power cord, and it is a US plug, and this is the other end, which is just like an adapter pin that goes into the unit for charging purposes. At the back of it we have a clip that clips onto your belt, your pants waist, your apron, whatever you choose to do. And as you guys can see, it is a gloss black. And then we have this clip that attaches to either this side or this side of the unit. So what you do is you just insert it and then you slide it down to snap it into place so that it doesn't move. And if you want to move it, then you slide it up and you pull it out. So on the top of the unit itself we have our forward and reverse switch. There is a charging indicator light. We have our output, which is where our handpiece is going to go into, and we have the power button and the speed control. At the bottom of the unit we have the input, and this is where your power adapter is going to go into. So we have that. And I wonder if this has any charge on it. It actually does have some power, so that is awesome. Lastly, in here we have our handpiece, and it came in two bubble wrap papers, which is protection, which is good. So this is what is going to go into our main unit, and this is what the drill looks like. Now I love the fact that it is silver and not like black or pink. It actually does not even feel like it's plastic. It feels like it's like a metal in the middle here, which I absolutely love. And then we have these two pieces of white rubber. It's actually heat resistant. It also gives you a really nice grip. And this is just a safety here for when they ship the hand pieces and nothing inside gets damaged. So in order to release this, you do see the R and S. So you're going to twist it to the R, which is to release, and you're going to pull this out. Okay, so let's get the sanding band from in here to put in it.
Oh, this tape, man, this tape. There. I'm gonna take this out. This is just for now because I am going to be using this
for demonstration for you guys. So I really just want to hear how loud the actual unit is, and then you twist it back to the S to secure it. Now this is gonna come up, but that is in there really nicely. So I'm going to take my handpiece, I'm going to plug it in. Always make sure that your drill is in forward, not reverse. Reverse is for your opposite hand. If you are left-handed, then you want to make sure that your drill is in reverse, and then forward would be for your non-dominant hand. But I am right-handed, so I need to make sure that my drill is in forward. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn this on. Can you guys hear that? I'm just moving the power cord and the handpiece out of the way because I don't really need it right now. So this is the speed that I would work with my drill on, and I can't even hear it. There is very little vibration, so I'm just going to turn it up a notch. I'm trying to get both in frame at the same time. So we're just going to be going up. Keep your eye on that dial right there, and this is our unit here, so let's go. Oops. And to be honest with you guys, this dial right here is not very easy to turn. So that is it on all the way, full power. Vibration is not too bad, but you will never ever need to work with your drill at this speed. Let's be realistic. So I'm going to come back down slowly so you guys can hear. So you guys hear that? So this is the lowest speed, and when it reaches the lowest speed, it comes off. I am going to go ahead and use this, and I'll meet you guys back for my final thoughts. I'm not going to charge it up right now because it does have some power. So what I want to check to see is if this drill can charge and work at the same time. So I am going to be plugging it in. So I'm going to insert that there, and the charging indicator comes on as red, and after it finishes charges, it's supposed to turn to green. So that way you know that your battery is fully charged and ready to go. Let's see. Oh, nice. Even though I won't recommend it, but like if you forget to put this to charge and you need it, then you can use it while it is charging, which is good. But try to remember to plug it into charge. You don't want to spoil it. So remember when it's finished charging to take out the adapter once that light turns to green, and remember to put it to charge so that you don't have to use it while it is charging, but it is possible to do so. So now it's time for my final thoughts. I love how compact this is compared to my regular size drill, and it is very handy. However, I would prefer a bigger stand in order to rest the handpiece, the main unit, on while on the desk. But I mean, if you were doing pedicures and have to move from one point to another, or if you're a traveling nail technician or nail enthusiast and you need a portable file, I will definitely recommend this one after using it. It is the bomb. Vibration, little to none. Like on the Speedway, I'm very comfortable with working with my drill. There is no vibration. I get the vibration when I'm like halfway up the dial or all the way. It starts to vibrate. It's not very loud at all, and I really enjoy how it feels in my hand. Like this metal weight right here makes a lot of difference when it comes to the e-files. It puts a professional weight to it. So I just want to say thank you, NATPLUS, for reaching out to me to review this. I actually am in love with this portable e-file, guys, and I will have the link for it in the description box below, along with my coupon code, which is currently on your screen right now, so you guys can definitely check it out. Go ahead and save yourself some extra cash if it is that you're interested in purchasing this beauty. What sold me on this review is the carrying case. I can basically just pack everything back up when I'm finished with it, and that way I don't have to have my drill on my desk unless I need it. So that is it for my review. I hope it was helpful and informative. As always, you know what to do. Go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And have you ever purchased one of these portable e-files? If you have, go ahead and tell me what you think about it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And if you know somebody looking for an e-file, definitely go ahead and share this video with them. And if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button before you leave. As always, I'd love for you guys to keep safe, and I'll see you soon.